Friends, now I am taking another train. I got a general ticket from Kollam to Thiruvananthapuram. So this is also coming from Mumbai. It's Netravati Express, but it is late. So I'll be taking this train now. So friend, now this is the general compartment of this train. This is my seat. Here it's unreserved, so you can sit wherever you want. At last, after 30 hours, I've reached Trivandrum Central. I'm buying samosas here. There's some samosa. So here goes Vande Bharat. You can see the station. Really beautiful, friends. This is my hotel. Help me to take the luggage. Thank you very much for tonight. It's a nice room. This is my bank's holiday home. I work for bank. I have mentioned many times 32 years, and my bank provides everyone, even the retired employees, to stay in this beautiful hotels. All really, I appreciate Bank of India for they took care of me when I worked for 32 years. So friends, this ends today's travel journey from Mumbai to Trivandrum, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. That's the real name. Thank you, the efforts which I am taking at the age of 63. Please appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Good night, everyone. Now it's getting 11:40. So good night, everyone. Thank you very much. Friends, now I am taking another train. I got a general ticket from Kollam to Thiruvananthapuram, 40 rupees. The train was to go to Trivandrum North, so I thought, why not I take this train? So from the station, my hotel is very close. So the train is coming, we see the light. So I will be taking this train. So this is also coming from Mumbai. It's Netravati Express, but it is late. So I'll be taking this train now. I don't know when is the general compartment. So friend, now this is the general compartment of this train. So somehow I got this train. This is my seat. Here it's unreserved, so you can sit wherever you want. I'm sitting now in a general compartment. So this is a general compartment. It's not crowded. And what a run, man. So this is all I'm doing for you guys. Just for you to know that how you travel by Indian Railways. So you have options, so many options. So I'm doing this option. And now we are leaving Kollam station. This is Kollam where I got down. That's a Kollam. So now from here, there's another station and then Trivandrum. But it will take 1.5 hours. At last, after 30 hours, I've reached Trivandrum Central. Time 11:15. About more than 30 hours I've come by this train. This is general compartment, and now I have to cross over by that bridge and go to my hotel. So friends, just I'll walk over because it's just 6 minutes walk. So friends, because of this train we became late 15 minutes. So this is Vande Bharat. So this has been given preference. So our train became late. I'm buying samosas here. Buy some samosa. This is the stall. So friends, I got samosa. Now I'll go to my room. You have a air-conditioned waiting hall. It's nicely made from plastic bottles. Medical assistance. And now this train is leaving. The Vande Bharat. So this Vande Bharat is leaving now. So here goes Vande Bharat. Now we go out from here. This is a very old station. I'll tell you about the station tomorrow maybe. Yeah, I'll tell you about the station tomorrow. This station is really very beautiful actually. It's really very beautiful. I'll show you from outside how it looks. So, it looks very beautiful. It's written Thiruvananthapuram. This is how it looks from outside, and my hotel is just from here, not even 10 minutes. So the vehicles have stopped here, and from here you can see the station. Really beautiful, friends. So there are some buses which are leaving. I have to cross the road, and this is the station. It's a very beautiful station. It's a very old one. So let me cross the road now. To just walk about 10 minutes from here. There are a lot of food courts over there. I used to stay, and the round circle building is Indian Coffee House. No, that's not Indian Coffee House. Coffee House is just next to that. Tomorrow I'll be showing you all this. So that's my hotel over there. You can see Hotel Horizon. That's where I'll be staying. So I'll be telling more about this hotel later on. And here you get nice food. Shahi Darbar restaurant. You can smell the aroma of the food. And here Malabar Kitchen. So many good hotels. It's a pure vegetarian, no, non-veg. Shahi Darbar. So my hotel is here. PK Residency. And my hotel is here. Hotel Horizon. Hotel Kirti. But when I used to come on a tour here I used to bring many people. I used to stay in Hotel Chaitra. So this is my hotel. Help me to take the luggage. Thank you very much. And this is the hotel. Beautiful. Coming here after many years. Thank you. And this is the reception counter here. I saw a really beautiful clock here. In my house I have a clock which is 100 years old in Mumbai. When I see this, Anglo-Swiss, okay. So I'm coming here after 20 years. Beautiful painting here. painting, another painting, and so we check into the room. The office here, 611. So this is my room for tonight. So it's a nice room for tonight here. Okay. This is my bank's holiday home. I work for bank. I have mentioned many times 32 years, and my bank provides everyone, even the retired employees, to stay in this beautiful hotels all over India. So we have not much like State Bank or Reserve Bank, but we have few of them. But really, I appreciate Bank of India for they took care of me when I worked for 32 years. So friends, this ends this today's travel journey from Mumbai to Trivandrum, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Earlier it was called Trivandrum, now Thiruvananthapuram. I'll tell you more about this tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If at all you love my videos, please do share and like and subscribe, and really share with your friends and families. Thank you. The efforts which I am taking at the age of 63, please appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Good night everyone. It's getting 11:40. So good night everyone. Thank you very much.